Seeking English, SAT Workbook, page 339, problem 1. It says, if 14 plus 6x is 11 more than 33, what is the value of 2x? What's the tricky part here? Is it that they mixed mathematical notation with narrative? No, that's a distraction from the trap. The trap is you're solving for 2x. If you forget that, or if you just don't notice it in the first place, all your other work on this problem will be a waste. So if you don't know what you're solving for, don't bother solving for anything. You'll be wasting your time. Okay, 2x is what you're solving for. So let's take a look at this. 14 plus 6x. It says is, meaning is equal to 11 more than 33, which means 11 is added to 33. Okay. The first thing I usually want to do is to try to get all the integers, all the stuff that's not a variable or an unknown on one side and everything else. So I'm going to put minus 14 here. Okay. So it's going to be 44 minus 14 is reducible to 3. Okay. Now, what you probably do automatically, and which I tend to do automatically, is this: move the 6 over here. You have x, which is equal to 5, and then you're done. Except that you're not done. You're not solving for x. You're solving for 2x. 2x is going to be 10, okay? So to backtrack a little bit, not that I think you have to do it this way. If you find yourself not doing it this way, fine, don't worry. Just get to the end correctly, okay? Let's back here with the 6. If you wanted to, you could move this 3 down here, and you'd have 2x equals, and then that's going to be 10. Okay, so that would be a perfect solution. If a perfect solution is going to take you longer for the same result, okay, or is going to put you at some additional risk for the same result, then don't do it. If you think you can solve for x and then go quickly back to the 2, I don't know. You're going to have to decide ultimately what you do on the test based on your experience doing these exercises and doing the simulation. So I can show you a couple of choices. I'm not going to prescribe one way or the other as being something that you're obligated to do, because in the end you're going to have to trust your training, and you're going to have to trust your own experience with what goes quickly and what goes correctly. Okay, so I showed you both things.